A devastating fire tore through a hotel in South Delhi's Malviya Nagar on June 3, killing at least 21 people and injuring dozens more. The blaze broke out at Flourish Stay, a bed and breakfast establishment in House Rani locality around 8 to 9 o'clock in the morning. The fire triggered scenes of chaos as guests scrambled to escape the smoke and flames. What made this tragedy particularly shocking was how it unfolded. Guests, many of them still asleep, found themselves trapped on the upper floors with no safe way out. Witnesses say people jumped from the third floor below. 2 women were seen leaping from the building in desperate attempts to save themselves. Several people suffered fractures. People on the street quickly came together and tried to catch those who were forced to jump.
मैं और मेरे दोस्त जा रहे थे स्कूटी से, उस टाइम पे पूरी आग लग रही थी और हमने यहाँ पे रोक के देखा ना तो वहाँ से बिल्डिंग से लोग कूद रहे थे। करीब 4-5 लोगों को हमने कूदते हुए देखा था और शीशा तोड़ के, वो भी एक गिरा था तो एक का पैर टूट गया। करीब 6-7 लोग हमारे सामने कूदे थे।
The Delhi Fire Services received a distress call and immediately sent 10 fire tenders to the spot. Rescue teams entered the building, including the basement where some guests had been trapped. 3 people were rescued from the basement and rushed to hospital. In total, more than 40 people were rescued from the building. The injured were taken to Max Hospital in Saket and the AIIMS Trauma Center.
देखिए, ये कॉल हमें सुबह 8:50 पे मिली थी और 8:51 पे दिल्ली फायर सर्विस ने इसके ऊपर 7 गाड़ियाँ टर्न आउट करी थी। और जैसे कॉल की फ्रीक्वेंसी कॉल्स हमारे पास ज़्यादा आनी शुरू हुई तो हमने जो है अपनी फ्रीक्वेंसी बढ़ाई गाड़ियों की और साथ में ऑफिसर्स की स्ट्रेंथ भी बढ़ाई है। और जो हमारी टीम यहाँ पहुँची थी, उस टीम ने पहुँचते ही यहाँ पर फायर फाइटिंग और सर्च ऑपरेशन दोनों एक साथ शुरू कर दिए थे। और इसके अंदर से हमने सबसे पहले बेसमेंट से 6 कैजुअल्टी को निकाला था। उसके बाद जैसे जैसे आग को हम बुझाते चले गए, आगे बढ़ते चले गए और हमने ऊपर जाकर के ऊपर की फ्लोर से भी लोगों को निकाला। टोटल 37 लोग हमने यहाँ से निकाले और उनको हमने जो कैट्स थी यहाँ पर या दूसरी और PCR थी, उनके थ्रू हमने यहाँ से हॉस्पिटल्स में शिफ्ट करा।
More than 15 of the 21 people killed were foreign nationals. This shows that the property was not just a local eatery, but a hotel that was actively hosting guests from abroad. This brings us to the central question in this tragedy. What exactly was this establishment and was it operating legally? Here's what we know. The hotel was licensed by the Delhi government under its bed and breakfast scheme and was permitted to run only 6 rooms. But according to sources, it was allegedly operating 25 rooms, including rooms in the basement. Guests were being housed in a basement that should not have been used for accommodation. When the fire broke out and smoke filled the building, many had nowhere to escape. Preliminary reports suggest the fire was caused by a short circuit. It reportedly started at the restaurant on the ground floor before quickly spreading to the kitchen and then to the upper floors of the adjoining hotel building. The exact cause is still under official investigation, but the speed at which the fire spread has raised serious questions about fire safety measures in the building.
शॉर्ट सर्किट से आग लगी है, तारों का जाल बिछा हुआ है, उस चक्कर में आग लगी है, शायद हीटेड होकर के वायर जल गया होगा और शॉर्ट सर्किट से फिर किचन में आग लगी, किचन से फिर पूरे फ्लोर में और पूरे ऊपर की मंजिलों में लग गई। पॉइजनस गैस कह सकते हैं, धुआं कह सकते हैं, उससे भी काफी लोग आहत हुए हैं और 99% लोग फॉरेनर्स हैं, चाहे वो साउथ अफ्रीकन हैं, सोमालिया के भी हैं, कुछ और मिडिल गल्फ कंट्रीज के भी हो सकते हैं। दिल्ली सरकार से यही उम्मीद करते हैं कि जांच करें और पड़ताल करें कि किसकी गलती है।
Delhi Lieutenant Governor Vinay Kumar Saxena directed officials to ensure immediate medical assistance and ordered a thorough investigation. But beyond the condolences and compensation, a familiar pattern has once again emerged. A commercial establishment is allegedly operating far beyond the limits of its license. Rooms in a basement with no safe exit, no confirmed fire NOC. And guests, including foreign nationals, are paying the price with their lives. Authorities say a detailed investigation is underway. Whether it leads to accountability is a question Delhi has asked after every such tragedy and one that often remains unanswered.